Okay. Trying this glitter stuff again. Where's our other? Can you hand me those boards there and we'll. So this is what we did last time, and we felt that there was too much glitter. So we're going to try a couple of different things and see if we can get a little less glitter so it doesn't obliterate the background color.
So it actually looks more like the galaxy.
And inhale those fumes.
But wonder of wonder, this time we're wearing gloves. What a marvelous invention. I didn't know these things existed.
Okay, I'm going to try, if you can get the top off that one while I try to get the top off this one. Try with the fingers and at a distance. Yep, that's not working.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
I think that's plenty of that.
Okay.
There's purple.
And purple, when it hits it, it's like green. That's not too bad there.
Yeah.
The teal. I'm finding if I go way high and just kind of go back and forth, that some of the airwaves catch it.
I think that's kind of the way Brad did it, so.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of hoping. Were we supposed to put a coat of clear on each layer?
No, you decided you liked it the other way.
Oh, that's right.
It's been a little while.
I've slept since then.
Yeah. That's looking nice.
Lid.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now let's...
Now we put another coat on it. Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of...
That one wasn't very thick, but, or even, but you'll want to make this one as even as you can.
Okay, I'm just going to do up to there on there.
Oh. Let's have a closer look. If I can find the right button on the camera.
Yeah, that's all.
That's not it. There we are. Whoa, check it out.
That is a lot better.
I like it. Come look at it through the camera, Kathy.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Mm-hmm. That is just about exactly what you were going for, I think.
Yeah.
All right. Are we ready for the real thing?
I don't know. Let's let this dry and maybe try one more coat
Okay.
just to kind of see how that goes.
Oh, you want to put more glitter on it? Or
I want to try.
okay. It's your project.
We'll see.
We'll be right back. Would you look at that? That is nearly perfect. She decided she didn't want to put another layer of glitter on it because this is exactly what she wants. So, it's time to do the real thing. All right, here we are. We have our body. It's had 3 coats of paint put on it. So, we are all set to do the glitter. Thanks.
I'll get the dog out of the bag.
Yes, once we put the dog in the house. So, shake the can for 2 minutes, it says.
Are we there yet?
This has been a very long project, largely because Kathy doesn't get that many days off. And this part especially, we want her to do because it's her instrument and her design. So,
Okay.
here we go. Spray a nice, even, thick coat. Compensating for the wind.
I love that smell.
Yes. We're not wearing any masks. Get that middle section of it.
Here?
No. There.
Oh, there.
Yeah. Okay, there you go. We're not wearing any masks because we're stupid. So,
Oh, I don't have gloves on, but oh well.
so, purple?
It looks green.
Yeah. It's purple, but it goes on green. Figure that one out. Looks like some nice stars there. Time for blue. Blue on blue. I know that was a song. Okay. The wind is actually helping here. We got a couple of nice little clusters there.
Some Andromedas or whatever they are.
Yes. Globular clusters are a thing. They're great big clusters of stars that most of them you can actually see in a telescope. And they look like balls of fuzz unless you can focus really close and actually pick out individual stars. But as you get closer to the center of it, forget it. You ain't going to see individual stars. You're going to see a cluster. So they are fun to look at and fun to play with if you have a telescope, which I do.
Do you see any places I've missed?
Nope.
It looks like it's fairly decent.
It's pretty even. Yep. That's all the colors?
Yes.
Okay.
It's funny, the white and the purple are the same color.
That's it. I don't know if it has to do with the backdrop or what. But, okay.
I'm going to put a little bit of more white over, trying to get it over here.
Okay. Once again, this design will be absolutely unique.
Because I had to sneak up on it.
Yes.
All right.
You catch a unique base, unique up on it. So, all right. Let's cover it with the first coat.
Okay, and then we'll let this dry, and we can do the sides and the back.
Okay. We decided we're going to do the rest of the instrument first, and then when we go to put the subsequent layers of the clear coat on, we can hang it up and do it that way. So, here we go on the back. Now, as we go along here, bear in mind what this thing started out looking like. Quick as we get this done, I'll be going to work on the neck. I've decided, based on what Brad Angro says, to use teak oil on it. So stay tuned for that in a future episode. Right now, it's glitter time. Yeah, the wind has died down, so it's not helping very much right at the moment.
Maybe a little bit too much. There. That's-
Starlight, star bright. Star on my guitar tonight. Yes. Ooh, that's nice. Ha! Oh, wow. Very nice. Like a little Milky Way there. I don't know how well this is showing up in the camera. Let me see. me zoom in a little bit, and you can see there that streak that she put right there. It is really cool. I'm not seeing the glittery through this thing very much, but hopefully you can see what's coming out. When it's done, we will definitely be showing it off. And her original plan was to do this and then put a big octopus sticker over it. She's rethinking that now.
But this is just too pretty.
Yes, it is. Wind is picking up a little bit.
Here, let's do it.
Very nice. Is that all the colors?
I did do purple,
Oh, okay.
but the purple and the white are so much
Yeah.
similar.
Purple, aka green.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The purple almost feels a little bit finer.
It might be. It looks a little bit finer than the others.
Yeah.
So we got the extra fine,
Yeah.
as Brad suggested. So now we lay another coat over it and we'll let it dry, and then we'll do the edges. So how do you like finally getting your hand into the work on this thing?
Yes, this is cool.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
There's nothing like building your own instrument. Okay, we'll let that set. I can't help myself. I just have to try to show you the job she did on this. So we've got a nice Milky Way type effect there. She really took the approach that less is more. And it really is. This is beautiful. When it's finished, it is going to be absolutely amazing. Stay with us because the best is yet to come. We're ready to do the edges. We have my little handy dandy vise here with some foam packing to protect the wood and the paint job that we already did. So we're gonna go ahead and do this edge. We'll let that dry, then we'll flip it over and do the other side. You're on.
Alrighty. Has the dog sneeze?
Yes. It's probably not necessary, strictly necessary to do these edges, but we want it to look cool all around. Did you get that down there?
Maybe? It's kind of hard to tell.
Yeah.
We've kind of lost our daylight.
Yes. That's what happens when the sun goes down at 2 p.m. This instrument is looking spectacular. I cannot wait to put the electronics in it. I really want to be done with this so I can put the goodies in it.
Alrighty.
So, and next payday, I will be buying some teak oil to finish the neck with. And we will put I have the screws and we'll put the whole thing together. And from here on out, the most expensive thing we need to spend money on for this thing will be the strings.
Alrighty.
We'll let that dry and we'll be right back. We done runned it out of daylight, but we have a nice light here, and all we have left to do is this one edge and this little part down here. So let's do that. again, big thanks to Brad Angro for this idea. And showing us how to do it ourselves. That is some of the funnest part, I think, is being able to look at it and say, I did that. That's blue.
Blue,
Blue,
blue.
blue, blue. Blue, blue, my heart is blue. Yeah. When organ transplants started becoming a thing, a DJ friend of mine, radio DJ friend of mine, and a buddy of his came up with a song. New, new, my heart is new, straight from a man from Kalamazoo. New, new, my liver's new, so is my spleen and my pancreas too. New, new, my body's new. I'm a new man, but I'm not sure who.
Okay.
All right. Put the sealer coat on it. And then from here, we will hang it up like we did when we were painting it originally. And I'm planning on giving it at least 5 coats, probably 1 a day for the next 5 days. So that should give us a good enough build-up so that we can polish it and make it really, really shine. So, until next time, there we are.